Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ketemu lagi dengan saya di Koin Logam channel.
The world's most wanted collector, this row of ancient money has a price of millions of dollars. Jakarta ancient money has become a special attraction for collectors both domestically and internationally. If previously we discussed the most sought-after ancient money in Indonesia, there are also rows of ancient money that are the target of world collectors. No longer used as a transaction tool, this ancient row has instead become a target of high value as a collection. Unmitigated, the price reaches millions of dollars or the range of billions of rupiah. The reason is simple: besides being rare, the money that has now been withdrawn from circulation has high-quality materials and historical value. So, what ancient money is meant? See the following reviews. 1. Flowing hair silver. Flowing hair silver is the first dollar coin issued by the United States federal government. The coins were minted in 1794 and 1795 and their size and weight were based on the then popular Spanish dollar in commerce across America. As a coin which is believed to be the first minted silver coin issued by the United States federal government since 1794 and circulated in small quantities, this money has a fantastic value. Finally, this coin was sold for 10 million United States dollars or around 149.9 billion Indonesian rupiahs in 2013, assuming an exchange rate of 14,900 Indonesian rupiahs per US dollar. Previously, this silver flowing hair sold for $7.85 million in 2010 or around Rp. 116.4 billion. 2. Double Eagles. The double eagle is a US minted gold coin made of 21 karat gold. Having a size of 34 x 2 millimeters, this coin had a denomination value of US $20 at that time. Printed in 1933, the double eagle has the head of liberty on one side and an eagle on the other. During Theodore Roosevelt's leadership, the government prohibited its citizens from owning gold. That's why this money was withdrawn from circulation. In 2002, the double eagle was auctioned at Roosevelt's request and sold for US $7.4 million or around Rp. 110 billion. 3. St. Gaudens's double eagle. The St. Gaudens's double eagle is practically like a double eagle. Made of gold, one side of the coin is a symbol of liberty and the other is an image of an eagle. It's just that the designs are prettier because the pictures are more complicated. Because it has a fairly complicated design, the money is difficult to produce in large quantities. This money was sold for around US $7.6 million or the equivalent of Rp. 112 billion. 4. Brasher doubloon. The Brasher doubloon is a copper coin minted in 1787 by the famous coinage of his time, Ephraim Brasher. This coin has a denomination of 8 escudos or around 16 Spanish dollars at that time. Because it was minted in very small quantities, this coin was bought on Wall Street for 9.36 million United States dollars or around Rp. 138 billion in 2021. 5. Edward III Florian. Edward II. The Florian is one of the oldest coins ever minted by the world. Known as the double leopard, this coin is one of the British efforts to produce gold coins that are suitable for use in England and Europe. Minted in 1343, this coin sold for 6.8 million United States dollars or around Rp. 0.101 billion in 2016. 6. Liberty Head Nickel. Morden Smith Eliasberg. The Liberty Head Nickel is a 5 United States dollars cent coin produced in very limited quantities without permission by the United States Mint. This makes the coin one of the best known and most coveted rarities in American numismatics. Minted in 1913, this coin has a mirror-like surface and is also rare. In 2013, this coin sold for US $3.1 million or the equivalent of 46 billion Indonesian rupiahs.